one night only at the opening show in Pittsburgh. Last September, the band announced that lead singer Steven Tyler had suffered a vocal cord injury and as a result had to postpone the tour after playing only 3 shows. The Peace Out Farewell Tour includes 40 dates across North America. Aerosmith will be at the Scotiabank Arena on January 7th of 2025, and tickets go on sale this morning at 10. I'm Eva Franciscato.
Still ahead, earnings in from a big American bank are knocking Wall Street to an early loss this morning. Business in 60 seconds.
The City News Time, 7:25.
This portion of the news is brought to you by BLACKVUE Casino.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the clairvoyance. Direct from Vegas with an all-new show featuring never-before-seen mental magic and spectacular illusions. With a special appearance by Mr. Tony Houdini, the world's first mind-reading dog. June 25th, 26th, and 27th, the Avalon Theater at Falls View Casino.